Log out Steam account. Go to your Steam folder. Delete everything in appcache. Then go to Steam userdata. This is your Steam ID. Delete the 730 file. Then go to your Steam, re-log in your account. If that doesn't work and you have a very low-end PC, I recommend you to change your video setting to low by right-click, Properties, go to Launch option, type the command low, close, then try it again. If it fails, try 6 commands here to see if one of them works. Go to Properties, Launch option again, and copy each of these commands to see if this works for you. For example, the first command. Do not run the game in full screen window mode. Try to run the game in window mode. Try this command. If that doesn't work, go to Steam. Check for client updates. You can also try go to Steam settings, go to interface, client beta participation, choose Steam beta update, and you need to restart Steam.